It's our last day here in Paris. We are heading on the train to go to Nantes with Alex's mother and father, and we're just taking the train. It's a 2-hour train, and we're sad to say goodbye to the firehouse. Are you sad, Fifi? Did you love Paris? Aww. Ellie says hi. Ellie says bye bye. Oh, look, guys. Bonjour. We have some kind of tired, sad kids as we start this journey. So, the metro with the stroller is near impossible. There's stairs everywhere. It's crazy. See, these guys have to take all these bags off. And we just had to carry the stroller like this. And then the stroller doesn't pass, so we have to like fold it down. So we're gonna get this now. Oh my gosh. Sorry, we've been kind of avoiding bringing the stroller. Good baby. Good papa. So it's a small walk to Montparnasse, which is the big NCF station. So then we're gonna go, and then I think it's gonna be more like normal here with elevators and things like that. Just since it's a huge hub and people always have luggage and stuff. So. Oh, this is the train station. It's huge. We're gonna miss our tonton. Oh, careful, Lulu. Or Juju. Juju. Oh, wow. Juju's scared and traumatized because last year we missed a train in Paris and it was horrible. Yeah. It was horrible.
And the elevator sounded like money.
Like money? Ching ching.
Ching.
And what happened? We were so scared. We ran and we ran, and then the elevator was broken, and we were Poor Juju thought the end of the world happened.
Yeah, but then we didn't miss it. Baby had her banky, and then she's like, my banky was scared.
And then Baby threw up a couple times. Wow, we had a big adventure last year. We are having much better than last year. Lily slept a little bit, but yeah, not enough. And we're gonna be an hour late because we can't take the fast train. It's like going on the slow track. But beautiful, beautiful scenery like always. Here in France, and sweet girls. Parenting isn't always fair. Sometimes one person ends up doing a lot more than the other person, and I think that's the key though to a good relationship and good parenting is like, I'm happy that Alex is getting to rest and I'm not like upset about it, and just knowing that he is a team player. He does so much. Like, he worked so hard this morning taking all the bags up 6 flights, down 6 flights of stairs. So I'm not like, look at me, I have to work so hard with these kids being wild. I'm like, okay, good. He's sleeping. I can do it. I'm okay. It's nothing, like, this is nothing compared to other things. Oh, and the other key is flexibility. A few M&Ms who have been on the floor don't hurt anybody. We're here! I see Mamizo with her little son, and there's Pappy Bet. Let's go see him. Do you see him? Do you see him? You can see him over here.
His little dog, her little son. She has a son now.
No, it's her grandson.
Oh.
Let's go see him. They're so excited to see you. Fifi's passed out.
Hey, it's not my cousin.
Oh, that's a great moment. It's a bit complicated with all the car seats and everything like that, but they have some. That's what grandparents are awesome for. We're on our way.
Maison.
Regarde, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle avait fait, mamie? Elle avait préparé le petit
Ah
sapin.
oui! Nous sommes impatients, c'est ça! Wow, Fifi!
Un petit cadeau pour lui.
C'est cool!
Et ça, c'est pour les nénettes. C'est la même chose. Alors, dans quelle main, Ophélia?
Ah, c'est mignon ça!
Qu'est-ce que vous avez dit merci?
Merci!
Tu vas réussir à me défaire, toi?
Wow, Juju! T'es riche! Fifi?
Non, c'est le couteau à tomate, ça.
C'est
ça.
C'est cool!
Hein? Attends, je vais l'enlever, t'énerve pas.
Elle est un petit peu impatient. And now to the fair, à la fois. C'est la saison de la foire. It's the time of the fair. Yeah, baby.
Raspberry, strawberry.
I want to see how they make cotton candy.
Which flavor do you want? Bubble gum?
We think they like bubble gum, or I mean cotton candy, but I don't think they do. Look, Lulu!
Américain. Moi, je suis français.
Wow, Juju. Okay, you can always remember it. Look.
Ah ouais, ouais.
Wow, Fifi, c'est cool.
Faut venir, hein, faut voir ce que c'est. Hein.
It's getting bigger and bigger. Wow.
Tu vas manger tout ça? Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée.
Here, baby, try this. It's really yummy.
Okay, actually they like it, huh? C'est bon ça, Fifi? C'est bon ça? We did this exact thing yesterday when we arrived. I mean last year when we came. The first day in France last year we did the same thing. We had lunch and then we came to the foire and it was closed. I remember it was a Monday, for whatever reason it was closed, but today it's open! So it's great. So here they have it, if you catch the little Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse, you get another ride. So let's see if Juju gets it. She's very focused. They both got it! They both got it! You did it! You both got the Mickey! Bravo, Juju! You got it! I know! Wow! Cool! Hey, Papa, put...
Merci, madame.
Merci!
Ah, c'est gentil, merci.
Pourquoi ça?
C'est cadeau. Parce que she's making this great, I guess.
Oh, wow, ok. Wow.
J'ai dit merci.
Et pour lui,
Elle est comme, oui, oui, oui.
tu vas pas la manger.
Bah tiens.
C'est bon ça?
On va faire la pâte.
C'est pas Chichi, c'est quoi?
On habite aux États-Unis. On est en vacances chez les grands-parents. Elle appelle ça les chichi. C'est quelle des filles?
Tu veux pas une cuillère, non?